Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, it's the end of 2023. What a year that we've had. Phenomenal year. Giving out some awards. This award is Girl Power. Love more girls in the industry. I know I'm a bit partial to it. I've got a young daughter that plays golf and a bit partial to the Girl Power. You know, I always say to my daughter, come on, we're going to beat those boys. You know, nothing, give those boys a run. She loves beating the boys. But this girl, she's a woman. This woman, girl, we're saying it's Girl Power Award, she is just a dynamo, mate. Love this girl to bits. She is fantastic. She really gets in. She is running a restoration business. She is just, what she has to go through every day she travels a long way to get to work. She is running a big company. They've got a massive building division, and she is kicking some goals. She's working a lot. She's got a lot of men around her that she has to kick into gear, and she's doing a fantastic job at it. And I really have been impressed with what I've seen face to face with the training that you've given you guys to making sure they've got all the right equipment, to making sure that the reporting and everything that you do. You've got some great backing from your family, but this award for Girl Power goes to Danielle Haig from AAT Restorations down in South Australia. Well done, Danielle. Fantastic work in 2023. Can't wait to see what you guys are going to do in 2024. Have yourself a great Christmas. Happy New Year. Well done to you. Thanks again. Whoop. Oh, did I tell you? It's $100 off Restore Solutions vouchers coming your way. Well done.